Okay, your meeting is recording now. No, I am audible for everyone. I think so. Please let me know if you facing any problem.
Yes, you are audible. Able to hear you, sir.
Okay, okay. So I am now. I am just presenting my screen now. I hope you will be seeing my screen now. Private window. Okay. No, I am just saying Canva. I'm just typing Canva. Okay, here. This is my private window. Okay. This is a Canva where you can design everything. Here you can get every template like a Facebook template, your college PPTs. If you are a teacher, you can see that there is many template for you. Also, you can share with your student. There are lots of things Canva give you free or free. I think Canva has two version, pro and free version both. But 80% work you can do with a free version, and I will also give you the tricks, and that help to you can use pro version, but in a free way. And I'm also sharing with you lots of free template. Uh, that one is paid, but I will give you free. Okay. So Canva is like a graphic designing. Okay, it's a basic. If you don't know anything about the graphics, you can just come here and you can do everything what you want to do, right? There are lots of things. Template is already defined here. This you go and design just Instagram post. If you want to design your Instagram post, so you can design here easily. Okay, logo, poster, and resume. Planner, right? Custom t-shirt you want to design your t-shirt, so you can choose here the design and just go edit there, and you can do anything with Canva. Okay, I'm just taking a temp mail because I have lots of account on Canva, so I'm just not creating a new one. I'm just taking a fake, you can tap a temporary mail IDs, so I will create a my account on Canva, but I will show my which one is I using for the my client and everyone, for everyone. Okay, this is my Canva. Here I am using for the my client, and I am working on here. Okay. I'm just showing you how you can make your account on Canva. You can create your account on Canva easily. Just I'm copy the mail, and I'm just here coming. Here you can see the login and sign up. If you have already account, then just go and log in. If you have no account, then click on sign up. Okay. They are giving you two or three options. You can choose anyone. I'm just going to sign up with a mail. Okay, I'm just putting here my mail IDs, which one is getting from here. Okay, this one mail ID, this one is my also going same, and this one is my password. Okay, so this one showing me weak, medium. Okay, can I recommend you to build make a strong password. Okay, so if you have not a strong password, then they will not allow to make an account. Okay, so someone coming in meeting, wait a minute.
सर जो हमारी ईमेल आईडी का पासवर्ड है वही डलेगा या इसमें अलग अकाउंट
No,
बनाना
you
है?
can create a new account, otherwise you can go from here. I will show you,
अच्छा,
wait a minute. You can
मतलब
just sign
नया
up, click.
बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना हमें?
अगर आपको नया बनाना तब नया बना सकते हो, अगर आप चाहते हो गूगल पे अकाउंट बनाओ, जब
हाँ।
इसके ऊपर क्लिक करोगे तो आपसे मेल आईडी देखो यहाँ पे ना पॉपअप खुल रहा है, और आपको बोलेंगे कि आपको जिस मेल आईडी से चूज करना आप चूज कर सकते हो। they will give you the more option. You can choose any mail IDs. Then you have to know make a password anything. Okay, just choose
मतलब
your
सेम भी रख सकते हैं, अलग भी कर सकते हैं।
हाँ मेल आईडी आपका जब सेम हो जाएगा ना, मेल आईडी आप जहाँ चूज कर लोगे तो आपको फिर भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा, तो पासवर्ड याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ता। ठीक है,
ओके
so I'm just sign up with mail. Okay, this is my I'm just creating here. Let's get the start. Okay, they will ask for the code. I will receive here my code. So just yeah, I will get here 46 48 63 20 let's copy where is the 48, 63. 21, right? Yes, it's right. Done. And I get a question today. Someone asking me, I just subscribed for the pro account. Let me know who is that. I don't know your name.
हाय
Someone asking me.
रोहन
आप थे?
रोहन हाँ
ओके रोहन, हाँ जी रोहन, आप शायद बताया था ना। ठीक है,
जस्ट अभी ज्वाइन किया, थोड़ा एक समराइज करो ना मुझे कि क्या हुआ है तो
ओके आई विल मैं आपको ना थोड़ा सा इसको ना लास्ट में बता दूँ। ठीक है, आपके डाउट अकेले के हैं तो ठीक है।
नहीं डाउट मतलब अभी तक क्या हुआ मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, तो स्टार्ट क्या हुआ है इसका?
मैं कुछ भी नहीं किया हूँ, जैसे मैंने कैनवा पे एक अकाउंट बनाया हूँ जो कि आप अपना मेल आईडी से अकाउंट बना सकते हो, इसके अलावा भी कुछ भी नहीं
हाँ
हुआ।
हाँ
ठीक है, तो मैं जस्ट साइन अप किया हूँ,
कैनवा
उसके बाद मैं
कैनवा कैनवा ऐप परचेस करना पड़ेगा, बाय करना पड़ेगा
नो
या
इसका फ्री
मतलब?
वर्जन, यू कैन यूज फ्री वर्जन। मैं आपको जो बताने वाला हूँ ना, फ्री वर्जन बताने वाला हूँ। इस पे आप 80% वर्क यू कैन डू फ्रॉम विद अ फ्री अकाउंट ऑफ कैनवा, 80 to 90%,
हाँ हाँ
and 10% rest na you can use other tools, other app, other website. So you can you can say you can use 100% but with help of other tools. Okay, I will give you the
ओके
every tips and tricks how you can use like a Canva Pro. Okay, but
ओके
still I have a pro account, but I think I haven't created any poster over there. Lots of things I will create on my free account because I have no need to take a pro account, but I have. So I'm just clicking student. Okay, just you choose what you want to choose. This will not affect anything. I'm just going next. Okay,
ओके
I'm just speaking. If you have any member, if you are working like a company, anything, so you can invite your team, so they can easily edit your template, edit your poster, like they can do. So I'm just skip here. Okay, so here is the first
हाँ
look
हाँ
of your Canva. Just choose your. They are saying just choose your first design, and you can edit it anything. So I'm just there is no option to go out. So just I'm taking something is I'm just taking this one. Okay,
ये
infographic,
वेबसाइट
and I'm
डेवलपमेंट का पेज है ना?
sorry.
ये वेब पेज डेवलपमेंट का बता रहे हो ना अभी आप?
No. I'm just this is today's intro class of Canva. Okay, nothing is going advanced now.
ओके फाइन गॉट इट थैंक यू।
So now it's your when you are logging in Canva, na, this is your first look. You can say this is your dashboard. Okay, so I'm just saying you what you get, where you something get like your tools, your everything is here. Okay, sorry. So यहाँ पे like this is your symbol. Okay, this is home page and this is template. You can use any template which one you like. It's free one. Okay, free one and paid one also. Okay, so you can see this is lots of thing here. Can Instagram story, this is social media, this is personal things you can use, like if you have if you are getting your business, you want to send a business card. Okay, so you can come here and create a business card. Like if you have business like a website, you can make here logo, business card, right? Lots of things you can do. Marketing poster, info, vouchers, you can use later. And if you are not teacher, so this one is going for good for you, good for this is one class docker kit, lesson planner, worksheet, certificate, and bookmarks, class schedule. Okay, lots of things is here. And trending, you can see this videos and YouTube intro. You know the YouTube intro is like when someone when you are watching some one videos on YouTube, now they are giving some intro video. So like you can create a YouTube video also here. Okay, photo book and menu, all lots of things is here. Okay, features you can get a free image here, lots of free image here, lots of free background, social post, and everything is here. Learning, they are also provide you something learning. You can see this one is a price one. Okay, so we are on free account. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade this one. Okay, there are also lots of things is here. You can choose like you are education center, so you have to connect many students, so you can choose this plan also. Okay, so here is something I'm going on my real account where I am working. Okay, this I'm cutting this one. Now I'm coming on my Canva account. Okay. If you have any query, so let me know. Okay, so this is my I have two account. One is free one, second is paid one. This one is Mega Classes is paid one. Sorry, free paid one. Yes, paid one. And this is my free one account. So I'm going my free one because I will teach you everything in free. Okay, I will not use any premium account, premium things. So this is your dashboard. Right up, if you scroll on down, see this is my where you I think everyone is seeing this this poster, this two poster. Everyone seeing. I'm creating my poster here. Everything.
Yes, sir.
This one is my for college. I'm also making poster for the college, my college. So this is my college, and lots of things is here. Okay, this is my for Instagram post, everything. If you click here, there are all your design. So it's my all design, and you can see there also this one is not good. I've leave this one. The graphic design is like you should have to creative. आपको creative बनना पड़ेगा. अगर creative नहीं बनते ना, अगर आप चाहते, if you want to make a first attempt is a good graphics is not happen. I think I will take 2 or 3 attempts. You can say I'm intermediate. I'm not say I'm pro, but I will for this Kana I will thinking for 2 or 3 times. So I will make up this final. Okay. So there is lots of my banner, and this is one of my client also. He is teaching digital marketing for the paid version. So there is lots of things I will design for YouTube's and for the offer something. Here is recent designing. Which one is I recent design and something I will do here. So everything is here. Share with you if someone is sharing with you something, so you can see here. If I will share with you my premium template, so you can just go there and you can access my all premium template. You can choose from here. Okay, brand kit is a brand kit like you can say the brand means your logo, your color, and your font. Okay, you can choose and you can use in the working means you are working mode and you want to choose your like a favorite font. Okay, so you should you there you have to find the where your font, where is your logo. So this one is giving for this one is giving to take a like a faster way to take your logo and everything, but this one is for paid one. Okay, I will leave this one. Okay, so this is content plan like if you want to
ब्रांड किट क्या होता है सर? व्हाट इज ब्रांड किट?
ब्रांड किट लाइक अगर आपका कोई ब्रांड है ना, जैसे कि आपका कोई ब्रांड आप कुछ बना रहे हो, राइट, आप कुछ आपका कुछ पोस्टर बनते हैं रोज, तो आपको वहाँ पे लोगो यूज करने होते हैं. यू शुड हैव टू यूज लोगो, योर प्रीमियम थीम. इफ यू गो समवेयर ना, इफ यू हेलो,
लोगो अपना भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, you can create your logo on logo. Here is logo section. I will also teach you how you can create a logo, right? Here is logo.
ओके.
आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि हर ब्रांड का ना 3 या 4 कलर होता है जो कि उसको यूज करता है. एवरी ब्रांड हैज 3 and 4 कलर and 3 and 4 they have color and font. They are using only that color as that themes. They are nothing use so you can also make your brand from here, but if you have premium account. Okay, so this one brand content planner is here. If you want to schedule a post like if I have this one is I have to post on my Instagram, so I'm just coming here and clicking over here. Okay, just selecting my channel, my where I have to post. If I want to post Instagram business and where you want to post, you can post from here. Okay, wait a minute, just
सर ये ऑप्शन कहाँ से आई है?
Here is section है ये से लेफ्ट साइड ना कॉर्नर प्लान राइट प्लान मतलब अगर आप ना कोई बनाते देखो क्या होता है, मैंने अभी बनाया डिजाइन, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं डिजाइन बनाया, मुझे पोस्ट करने हैं सोशल मीडिया पे अलग है, इंस्टाग्राम पे मुझे पोस्ट करने हैं, फेसबुक पे पोस्ट करने हैं, लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट करने हैं, ट्विटर के ऊपर पोस्ट करने हैं, तो यू जस्ट कम हियर एंड जस्ट क्लिक चूज योर
प्रिंस ब्रदर
डिजाइन।
सर बहुत ज्यादा नॉइस हो रहा है, सिर्फ जिसके क्वेश्चन हो आप उन्हीं को कहें कि साथ साथ पूछने के लिए, नहीं तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग भी सही नहीं आएगी बिल्कुल भी सर।
हेलो
ओके आई थिंक गुड नाउ राइट।
हेलो
यस साहिल।
प्रिंस ब्रदर साहिल जी सर, मैं ये कह रहा था मतलब कि मुझे मतलब इंग्लिश प्रॉपर नहीं आती है राइट, मुझे कैनवा सीखना वो मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे मतलब कोई भी जो यहाँ पे जॉइंट टीम मेंबर है उसको हिंदी तो आ गई होगी, मतलब आप हिंदी में थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करोगे तो बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो इंग्लिश।
Okay, I will try for you also because also here who only understand.
जॉइंट मेंबर होगी उसको तो हिंदी और इंग्लिश आती होगी, क्योंकि आई
No, they
बिलोंग
I think.
गुजरात।
Okay, Sahil, don't worry. I will also explain. अब मैं ना हिंदी में ट्राई करता हूँ, ठीक है, मैं दोनों में लैंग्वेज ट्राई करता हूँ, so you can understand everything. Okay. So you can see the left side ना, बाएं साइड में आपको दिख रहा है कॉर्नर प्लान, ठीक है, यहाँ से आप आओगे ना, you can just click on plus button. You can choose your template, which one is you like to post on your Facebook and social media. आपको जो भी पोस्ट करना है आप यहाँ जस्ट यहाँ पे click your design. Okay, just choose your media where you want to post like Instagram, social, Facebook. आपको जहाँ भी पोस्ट करना है just select your channel. Okay, just I'm just saying I want to post this one on my Instagram, so I'm just clicking on Instagram. With the time he will Canva will automatically post on my Instagram. Okay, Canva automatically मेरे पोस्ट को मेरे Instagram अकाउंट पे पोस्ट कर देगा विदाउट मानो मुझे ना कल के सामने पोस्ट करना है, तो मैं आपसे जब शेड्यूल कर दूंगा और वो जाकर वहां से पोस्ट हो जाएगा राइट। सो हियर इज वन मोर ऑप्शन इज ऑल your folder. Okay, मेरे पास this is my all folder. You can see also here this one and this one is also here, right? This one is my all design, like which one which means if I like ना something then I will give the hard. Okay, अगर मुझे कुछ पसंद आता है तो मैं उसको हार्ड दे दूंगा, तो वहां पे क्या होगा, वो मेरे इस लाइक बटन में आ जाएंगे, जो कि इन फ्यूचर मुझे खोजना ना पड़े, मैं इसको यहाँ से यूज कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है। अपलोड दिस मैं जितना भी कुछ अपलोड किया हूँ इज हियर, माय एवरी अपलोड फोटोज एंड फाइल इज हियर। ओके, टेस्ट व्हिच वन इज आई डोंट वांट टू यूज एनीमोर, सो आई विल टेस्ट दिस वन। ओके, परचेस मींस if I will buy any premium template, so I will get here. Okay, अगर आपको कोई भी टेम्पलेट खरीदना है, कोई भी चीज खरीदना है ना, तो आई थिंक ये 7 रुपीज का एक प्रीमियम टेम्पलेट आपको देता है, तो आप यहाँ जब परचेस करोगे तो आपको यहाँ पे ये देता है, ठीक है। दिस इज माय
Sir, only one doubt, sir. So it's like a poster designer, sir. If I want to design a poster for my college, is it possible for me to design using this, sir?
yes ma'am, you can do easily.
We can edit and we can
Yeah.
attach the college logo, etc. Yes, sir.
everything
Okay.
you can do it from here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So what is the difference between that publisher and this then?
Sorry,
What is the difference between that Microsoft publisher and this?
Microsoft Publisher, there you have you should have to create from zero. You haven't any ideas how you can create, how you can make a size, what is your Facebook size, what's your Instagram banner size. There is nothing. You should have to create from the zero, and there is nothing more. Like you, if you want to take a photos, if you want to take a photo, you should have to upload there. Okay, here, but here is lots of template, lots of photos already here. You can use that photos for your design. Okay.
Okay, correct.
So no, I'm just taking a template. Okay, I think also you seen my today's post. I will also post you in my account or in my WhatsApp group. Okay, I'm just saying where I'm creating this one. Sometime I will create somewhere. I don't know where I'm creating or not. I'm just coming here. I think everyone seeing this photo. Sorry. I'm just creating and here is some more option. Okay? Already is here like a setting. Like if you want to set your account, your information, your mail IDs in your account. Okay, everything you can see from here. Like this is my mail ID, which one I using for this Canva. Okay, your account. This is your account. Okay, people. How many people? आपके कितने बंदे यहाँ पे जुड़े हुए, ठीक है? ग्रुप आपके कितने? How many groups you have not? ठीक है? एंड बिलिंग एंड स्ट्रीम्स एंड आपकी जो प्रीमियम अकाउंट का क्या बिल है, क्या नहीं है ना, तो सारा कुछ यहाँ पे है. राइट, दिस इज माय कैनवा अकाउंट. आई विल दिस इज माय फेसबुक एंड Instagram account. I am connected from the Canva. Okay. So and Canva also give the new things, printing order. If you want to print anything from the Canva, just design and order from here also. They can print and they can parcel to your home. Okay. If you just click over here, this is same thing. You can from here you just if you just click on the account, same thing will open. So I'm just creating a design for you. As it's a random, okay, it's a random one. I'm just creating one. Everyone seeing my today post in your WhatsApp group. Happy Independence Day. Okay, that was very simple. Just choose your. I think that one is from 60 to 6 to 5. And this. Okay. See, I have here lots of tablet. Okay, Instagram stories means Instagram story save. Okay, this is perfect for your Instagram story. Okay, Instagram post perfect for your Instagram feed post. Right, Facebook feed post is perfect size. If you want to create something else, if you want to have random your size, so you can just come here and create a design. Okay, just take here option custom design. Okay, edit photo and PDF. It's a beta version, as you can see. And I'm saying you every week something is changing with Canva. Every week. It's my personal experience because I think last 3 years I'm working on the Canva, but every time I will get something new here. This is in beta version, so don't confuse. But this is a basic look. Okay, this is basic look. Sometimes this one is not coming here. In I think last 2 or 3 months before, this one is not here, but they are giving something here. You can choose from here. Like a presentation size, you can see here 1920 into 1080, right? They are giving you a predefined size. आपको यहाँ पे predefined size मिल जाता है. देखो वीडियो के साइज आपको दिखा रहे हैं, कौन सा वीडियो साइज है आपके पास. अगर वेबसाइट डिजाइन करते हो, so here you can design your website. This is size for your perfect for your website. Okay, resume. If you want to build your resume, lots of students. I'm just saying to you all. Now I'm in a 4th year. Okay, so lots of my friends saying, build a resume for me. They don't know how to build resume. I'm saying to everyone, just go on Canva, just do yourself. Because I'm working with I think 2 or 3 schools and one student, so I have very less time to help them also. But I'm giving free for my friend. They are not. I know they are not here. They are just saying, just come please, just design for me. I'm just looking for my friend here. Anyone is here now? I think no one is here. No one is there. They are saying, but just please create for me. Okay, so if you are teacher, you can say to your student, just go from Canva and predefined. You see there is predefined template also you can use. If you are employee, you can use any template. You can use any template here, right? I will show you something here. See, this is a free one. This is a free one. Here is, you can see this one is not is a paid one. Don't use this one. I will just going here and creating free one, filter one.
सर ये ऑप्शन कहाँ से आई, क्योंकि हम साथ साथ में से ट्राई भी कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा एक बार बताएंगे कहाँ से आई ये ऑप्शन?
Sorry.
ये डायलॉग बॉक्स आपने जहाँ से ये खोला था अभी?
Yeah, just click here, create design. Okay.
ओके।
Create design. Just click on here. And you should you आप यहाँ पे बहुत सारे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आपके पास है ना टेम्पलेट के डिजाइन यहाँ पे फिक्स किए हुए हैं, राइट? यहाँ पे देखो लॉट्स ऑफ टेम्पलेट, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दे आर गिविंग टू यू, और यू कैन दे आर सजेस्टिंग यू to design. Okay, there
Okay.
you can see this is your resume. Okay, I'm just clicking on the resume and you see here is my resume. You can edit fast, you can edit, okay, and you can use anywhere. I have just changed this photo. I'm just clicking deleting this photo, and I'm just uploading this photo. My photo is here, so I'm just going here. So if I use my any photo, I'm just putting here. Okay, this is my photo. I'm just zoom out. Okay, so this is my now. Okay, this one good, right? You just create, you just change your name, just your personal goal and work experience, your contact number. This is predefined template you can get, and you can build your resume easily. No lots of things you have to do here, right? So I'm today I will show you a design which one I will मैं जो आप लोग साथ आज शेयर किया था आपके ग्रुप में, I will share with you in WhatsApp group. I will show you how I can designing that banner. Okay, and see here, wait a minute, I'm just looking for that. For the 15 hours now, I will design a design, but I will not find there. I think it's here.
सर इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे जो आपने बनाया यही वाला आज बता दो, फिलहाल ओकेजन वाइज भी हो जाएगा, हम खुद सीख जाएंगे कि
हाँ जी, हाँ
ओकेजन
जी,
वाइज में
मैं
क्या
वही बता
करना
रहा हूँ, पर ना मैं डिजाइन जहाँ पे क्या मुझे वो मिल नहीं रहा है, तो क्या होगा वहाँ से मुझे ना कलर चूज करने में आसान हो जाएगा, ताकि ना टाइम शॉर्ट में बता दूँ. I'm just looking for my design.
है। सर बिल्कुल फर्स्ट स्टेप से सिखाना, क्योंकि हम
हाँ,
नहीं
basic
जानते अभी।
basic. I will teach you from the basic. Okay.
ओके।
But I think where is it now? Yeah, it's here now. Right, you see here. मैं आप लोगों के साथ आज ना ये शेयर किया था, राइट? आप लोगों को याद होगा, मैंने ये आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया था. अब देखो how I can create this template again as much I will take a less time. Okay, if you take any design now, you can get this type of your page, right? You can zoom from here, you can see I can zoom from here. Okay, अपने अनुसार इसको जूम कर सकते हो, आपको जितना जूम करना. अदर you get the option here. Okay, just you choose your percent. I want 100%, so this one is 100%. Okay, if you want to fit the screen, this is fit for your screen. Okay, this is full view, and here is something I will show you. This is your home file, and this is file, and here you can see this is resize, and in the if you go free account now, there is not this one is for the premium account. Okay, this one is for the premium account, and you can see this is one logo. You can see this one is everywhere. This logo is here. Okay, so
सर ये
I'm nothing
टेम्पलेट
different.
का नहीं, सॉरी सर, ये जो टेम्पलेट का साइज आपने लिया है, तो क्या हम इसे इंस्टाग्राम के लिए जैसे 1:1 या इसमें चलता है, तो ये भी कुछ पता चलेगा कि कैसे, या भी
हाँ,
आपने कोई भी फ्री लिया है जैसे मर्जी ले लो?
ये तो मैं अभी जस्ट मुझे कुछ डिजाइन पसंद आया था तो मैं डिजाइन को कहीं से लिया था, तो मेरी साइज ये पसंद आया था. यू कैन सी हियर पिक्सल्स 6 to 6. Okay, pixels is for my design I will using now. Okay,
Okay.
right. And I'm going on my okay free account because I will teach you everything in free account. Okay, just I am taking the example of the color. Okay, color. So I will have no time because if you will find it color now, so it will take a lots of time. So I'm just on my free account. Okay, I'm just coming here and I will choose here from choose the color code here. Okay, I'm just clicking here. And okay, just wait, I will show you something from here. Okay, firstly this one is template. If you will create any design this is your dashboard. Okay, you can make any design, okay. From this size, from this your size now, you should get you have getting here lots of template. Okay, free account, free template and pro template. Okay, if I want to use this template now, I'm just clicking from here, clicking here. Okay, you see your template is here now. Just if you want to change your text, I'm just going and I'm just typing something which one is I like to post. Okay, just changing here and you see here also. And I'm just, if I will click here now, right, see this one is in group 1, 2 and 3 is this one is group. If you want to ungroup now, just click on three dot and just do ungroup. Okay, now it's ungroup. Now I'm just clicking here, I will change this one also. Okay, and if you will change everything, just go and download it. Okay, this one is template section. You will get here lots of template, free and pro version. If you want to use only free, just click on here and just click on free version and apply the filter. Okay, then you will get every free. Okay, there are also showing something is pro, but ignore this one. Okay, you should have to use only free one. Okay, and this one is element is a like I think I will say you can use this tool, this element 40 I think you can say 70% work from here. You can do everything from here. This one is very important section for you all. Okay, this one is also changed before. If this one is not here, like this audio is not here, this photo is not here. This is lots of things. Canva is regularly changing, so because they want to improve themselves also, right? Upload this upload section. If you want to upload anything, just click on here. You can upload anything from here. Okay, photos, you can use these photos for free. You can use any photos, any photo you can use for free. This is copyright free image. You know the copyright because if you have a legal license use for the image, then you can use. But here every photo you can choose any photos. Okay, every photo is free. You have no, you will never get any type of copywriting. Okay, you can easily use any photo. And I'm just going for text, right? If you want to change the text color like something, just go and choose your text font size. Okay, if I'm just saying I just want to use this enjoy. Okay, I'm just click here and you see this text is here. Okay, I'm just clicking and edit here. I'm just writing here digital dost. Okay, so you can see how much is easy. आप लोग देख सकते हो कि ये कितना इजी है, राइट? इससे ज्यादा इजी कुछ भी आज के टाइम पे मार्केट में नहीं है. ओके, नथिंग इज कुछ भी आप बोल सकते हो, कुछ भी इजी नहीं है, इतना आसान है कैनवा. और मैं आपको बता दूं व्हाट इज डिजिटल दोस्त. डिजिटल दोस्त इज माय वेबसाइट वेयर आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग द digital service. You can, if you have any query about the digital dost, you can ask me. I'm just saying something about this one. Just give me 2 minutes. I will say this one is my where you can make your inquiry, and my teammate will be contact with you within a 2 hour. If you want any service like a digital service, if you want any service, if you want to promote your college, school, coaching, restaurant, anything you want to promote online, so you can fill their form. Okay, so my teammate will be contact you soon as mentioned. Okay, this is my website, right? I'm giving this type of service. You can see here. Okay, so you can make an inquiry for me. Okay, so see here, and this is one style. Style, if you want to choose your make your own style, so you can make your style from here. Okay, videos, there are lots of videos for free. You can use these videos for free. Okay, there no, you will not get any copywriting. You know the on the YouTube lots of video is, if you will re-upload the any video you will get copyright on your YouTube channel. But if you use this videos you will never get any copywriting. Okay, this one is all are free. You can choose any videos. This is background. If you want to use the background image, right? I want to use this background image I'm just click here, background will be changed. Okay, आपको अगर background
Sir,
image
one
use
doubt,
करना है,
sir.
just आप लोग
Yes, sir. Sir, is it possible to provide any kind of animations in the poster, sir? Not very big animations, just moving the text. If it is a Happy Independence Day, now, just moving in the HTML, we will do, right, sir? That kind
I
of
will
small kind of animation is possible, sir.
yes, it's possible now. You can see here timer is for only for the animation. Okay, I will show you also this one.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right, and this one is chart. Like if you want to show that any chart just click here and make your own chart. Okay, if you are a teacher, you can make your own chart, report, everything you can make from here. Okay, I'm just clicking on to the screen. Okay, just item one, this one is item one, just click here and edit it. Okay, I'm just saying here things. Okay, I'm just saying this one is for the math, for my math subject, right? My math number, and right, you can choose here and you can make a report like this one also. Here is lots of option also. You will not get this option because I am using last time, so I will getting this option, but you will get only chart option. Okay, as I think will be this one will change now, so you will get this one. And here is more option, and more option I will show you in the next class what is here. Okay, so I'm just coming on the my design, which one is I want to create make today. Okay, I'm just deleting here and just take a new page, and I'm also delete this. Okay, so this one every time you will get this one. Okay, if you want to from scratch now, you will get this one. So now it's upon you. You should have to choose your template. Otherwise, you can start from the zero. Okay. I'm just creating this design. I will design this one is again. Okay, just go there. I'm just choosing my color. देखो यहाँ पे आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे ना, if you will click on blank page, you have two options here. Okay, one is colored background, one is timer. Okay, so I'm just coming here and I'm just choose from color code. Okay, color code is here. I will get from here and just copy this code. This will code to be colored. Okay, just pasting here.
सर ये सारी ऑप्शन कहाँ से आ रही हैं, बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चल रहा, क्योंकि लैपटॉप भी हमने खोला है, साथ साथ कंटिन्यू करके देख रहे हैं कि कैसे आपने बैकग्राउंड लिया कलर।
मैं बताता हूँ। हाँ, मैं क्या बताया हूँ, देखो समझो, आप लोगों को क्या करना है, फर्स्टली जाके यहाँ पे ना डिजाइन चूज कर लेना। ठीक है, आपको जिस डिजाइन बनाना है आप यहाँ से चूज कर सकते हो, आप यहाँ से चूज कर सकते हो। ठीक है, आपका कस्टम डिजाइन, you will choose your custom design from here. Okay, just click here and you can see here. Okay, just custom design choose. Okay, after that you will come from you seeing this page. Okay, आपको उसके बाद ना ये पेज दिखेगा। आपको अब क्या करना है, सिंपल आपको जो भी कलर चूज करना है, जो कोई भी कलर आपको चूज करना है, आप जस्ट मानो कि मुझे इस पे ना कलर चूज करना है। इफ यू वांट टू चूज कलर, just click on the color. I want to choose red, I will choose red. If you want to choose more color, okay, if you want to something is not here, you want to choose, like I want to choose yellow. Okay, and I am going to something dark yellow, you can say this one. Okay, so I will do these things. If you don't know the color code now, if you know the color name, so just come here and just type red color code. ठीक है, red color code. Okay, so Google will help you to find your color. Okay, right, this is one code for the color. I just copy this code. I'm just coming here and I'm just pasting this one, right? अगर आपको color code है, if you have a color code, just paste here your code and you will get your color, right? This one is black color, so red color. I'm just using this color. Okay, so you can choose any color. For this one I am using this color. Okay, for my background. Now just come and element, choose the circle. I'm using three circle now. Circle one, sorry, just click on the circle. Okay, circle, circle and circle. Okay, I'm just using three circle. I'm just going here and I will choose the orange color. Kesri, right? Is a kesri, we are saying the kesri. This one is kesri color for our flag. You can see here now, you can see here, this is group one. Okay, I'm this one is three circle. Okay, one is kesri, second is white, and third is green. Okay, I am taking every color in group one. Okay, तीनों सर्कल को मैंने ग्रुप में बना दिया, जिससे क्या होता है, मुझे हेल्प होता है. If I will not change this one like this one is three color like something is a for the not sorting ganda, this one like. So I'm just fixing here, just control Z. Okay, so we'll get your previous design. I will ungroup here, so I'm just going for the orange color. Okay, I'm just choosing choosing the color code only, just copying from here. Okay, I'm gonna copy, sorry, paste your code here. Okay, right, let's choose this one is for the green, yellow, white, sorry, and third one is green. I'm using this one, right? See, first one is some more big, right? Second is small one. So now you can see now, kesri one is coming up. So if I will to, if I want to send in the cell in the last now, so just click the right click, okay, of the mouse. You can see these things will pop up. Okay, where you want to send this element. I want to send this element previous send to back. Okay, in the last one. So I just click on the last. This one is going last. I want to create. I want to send this one is second last. Okay, second last, and this one is third one. Sorry, not sorry. I want to send back. Okay, so here everyone. Now you have to just set up this one like a something is looking good. I'm just doing. Right, I'm just doing a small one also. This one. This one good, and I'm just putting this one on the top one. It's not looking good now. I'm just selecting three. Okay, right? Just click your left finger on the mouse. Okay, right, right, left finger, and just control, just shift, just press the shift button and choose every item. Okay, first, second, sorry, control. I think wait a minute. Oh my god. Just click on shift and just choose your element. I'm just choosing second one and third one also, right? Here you can see the is a new coming up, right? Group. I'm just doing group, and now you will do something now. It will be showing everywhere, right? It will be changing here. I'm just putting it, this one is center, and you see you can see there. This one is line here and line here. It's in center now, fully center. I'm just make some big here, and you can say like this. I will put in center. Okay. I will make some. So I will not edit properly in the question. Okay. right? So now you come here and search the Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal. I'm using for the Taj Mahal here also. You choose any Taj Mahal. Okay, I want to use this one. Or you see here now, this one is a new update from the Canva. They are only showing firstly graphics. Now they are showing here on the element photos, videos, audios. When I use now, there is nothing about nothing. Only the graphics is showing here. But here now is a 5 item is showing here. Just come the graphics if you want to graphics. Okay, I choose graphics, and you can choose any Taj Mahal. Any Taj Mahal is lots of the Taj Mahal here. You can see here Taj Mahal also, right? You can choose any Taj Mahal. I'm just using here now this one. I'm just making some big, right? And you see now this one background is showing. So you can do one thing more, like just come, just scroll this one and take a rectangle. I will taking this one. Okay, you know what I will do here? I'm just coming the center of this one. Okay, I'm just making this one large, and I will change the color of this one. Okay, I will send in back. I will send in this or more back. So if what I will do now, what I do here, you see, if I will now, if I will change here now, see this one is showing. This one is still visible, but I don't want to be in the background. This one is visible, so I will take some thing, this one like this. Okay, so I will now, this one is not visible now. I will cover it easily. मैं क्या कर लिया, कवर कर लिया इसको, ताकि ये ना बैकग्राउंड में मुझे ना दिखे, right? Here is I will going there center. Okay, just come here and search a flag, Indian flag. You can search. I will search Indian flag. Okay, and just put it the filter like a free. Okay, so they will only showing you the free version. Just come in graphics. Okay, you can choose photos. I don't think you can choose. I think someone asking me to animation. You see, this one is already animated here. You can use this animated. This one is always free. You see, it's free. So I am just using. You can use anyone. I'm just using this one. Okay, now. Make some small this one, right? And second, what is it? Second one, third one is India Gate. Okay. India Gate. Now I'm going to use this one. Okay. You can use any more also. See this one, right? Now you can see here now I have some cloud, right? You have the cloud like a bird, and I have written here something. Just I'm not writing anything. I'm just copying this one and I'm just put here. So I will save my time. Some time put here. Okay, I'm just taking this one also. I will show you how you can make this type of font, right? So you see this one cloud, right, and bird. I'm just saying it because some other cloud. See, right? Cloud, search cloud. You will get lots of cloud, right? See, here lots of cloud. You can use any cloud for your design. Okay. आप लोग कोई भी डिजाइन के लिए आप यहाँ पे कोई भी किसी को यूज कर सकते हो. I'm just choosing this one now. And you see now this one is यहाँ पे आपको benefit मिलता है. You can change this color also. If you want to ना change the white color, you see there is small na gap of white color. Then I will show you something here. right? Small. If I will now come here, if I will click here, I will make it. If I click here, na, if I will go zoom, I will make it black. Na, see this one black, right? So you can change your color also, and if you will complete your design, if you will choose your color, so just come here, transparency. You can see the transparency. Okay, just come here and make decrease it, so you can get a more like this one. Okay, so I just small this one, and I am putting this one is here. I just copy this one all again. So I will use again and many other way also, right? V. Control C and Control V you can do here also. No need to anything. It's a shortcut you can use for your graphics when you are working on. You can use this type of shortcut. Shortcut. Okay. So this is cloud now. I am just using. I'm just searching bud. But hope I will get here like this one. Okay. If I want to use this one, just click on the element. Okay, you can get your on your design. Okay, see now you can change this this one. I want to use now. You can see here I'm using only one bud here. Okay, if I want to there is three word. I'm just clicking here, click on the element, just go and crop. Okay, I'm just choosing only one. I just using for this one, so I will crop both. I will use this one only. तो मैं अगर मुझे एक यूज करना है ना तो मैं क्या करूंगा, जिसको मुझे यूज करना है उसको मैं क्रॉप करूंगा और सभी को मैं ना छोड़ दूंगा, राइट? और दिस वन इज गुड, राइट? यू कैन चेंज कलर आल्सो. आप यहाँ से कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हो, राइट? यू कैन जस्ट गो देयर एंड चूज योर कलर. सी इन योर पोस्टर try to make a 3 and 4 color only. Okay, don't make more color, so that one is looking something is not looking good, so you can use only 3 and 4 color. Okay, don't use more color. Just choose your color. Here I will choosing this color, so it will looking some good now. You can if you want to choose now, this color is not looking more dark, so when you are clicking on the color na, see I am clicking on the color, so it will be popping blue. If it's showing blue, so just come and click on plus icon. Okay, so you are getting same color code here and some color code symbol is colored from here. Okay, I'm just putting down this circle, so I will get some more dark color. Okay, see this is going dark, something some dark, right? I'll put dark full, so it will be full dark. I'm just using from here, so it will be good, right? So I'm just small here, and I will flip here. Okay, you can flip from here also. I want to flip.
सर जो आप कलर चेंज कर रहे हैं ना, ये ऑप्शन हमें दिख ही नहीं रही यहाँ लैपटॉप में.
जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द आइटम. आपको ना आइटम के ऊपर क्लिक करो, जो कोई भी आइटम जिस पर आप क्लिक करना चाहते हो उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो.
ओके,
and you will see here you can choose you can change from here.
ओके, हाँ ठीक है, दिख गया.
ओके, तो आप यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हो, चूज कर सकते हो, राइट? मैं इसको क्या करता हूँ, एक जगह पे मैं इसको क्या करता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे ला करके लगा दिया, ठीक. और मैं ऐसा क्या आई विल आल्सो डू reduce the transparency. Okay, I'm just making light, and here is a some buds, so I will make a small one, this one, and going here, and you can not just rotate also, so it will looking good, more good. So I just want to rotate this one like this one. Okay,
सर जिन फोटोज पे प्रो लिखा आ रहा है तो वो हम नहीं यूज कर सकते, मतलब ये है?
no you can not use this one because that one is paid one. प्रो आपको, हाँ, जहाँ पे पेड लिखा हुआ है ना, प्रो लिखा हुआ हो तो आपको प्रोविजन में मिलेगा, वो फ्री में नहीं मिल सकता.
पर यहाँ पे मैंने उठाया तो वो क्लिक होके आ गया फोटो के ऊपर. इसका मतलब कुछ मेरा अकाउंट गलत बना हुआ है या नहीं?
नहीं, वो आपको देगा, वो आपको एडिट करने का ऑप्शन देगा, पर आपको दिखाएगा इसके ऊपर ना, यू कैन सी देयर आल्सो कैनवा लोगो, लाइक कैनवा ना, कैनवा इज रिटन देयर ऑन द लोगो ऑन द फोटोज एवरीवेयर. दिस मींस दिस वन इज प्रो वर्जन. ओके, प्रो टेम्पलेट यू आर यूजिंग नाउ. अगर आपका वहाँ पे Canva लिखा हुआ आ रहा है ना, इसका मतलब वो टेम्पलेट, वो एलिमेंट आप यूज कर रहे हो ना, वो प्रो वर्जन में है, तो डोंट
तो
यूज
अभी
दैट
हम
वन।
मतलब
इफ
यूज
यू
नहीं कर
नीड
सकते
एनी,
उसको?
हाँ आप उसको यूज नहीं कर सकते फ्री अकाउंट में।
ओके।
I will show you ना, I will show you how you can use the that element in a free
हाँ
as a
हाँ,
free.
फ्री
Okay.
वाला है, हाँ जी सर।
So I'm just also changing this color. Okay. I'm just using this color like this one. Okay. So you see, like this one is something good. You can also put here like a helicopter, aeroplane, something more. Okay. I'm just coming here. I'm just searching for Asuka. Asuka, like Asuka Chakra, no? ASHO. Right now I will get here Asoka Chakra. Okay. See, here is Asoka Chakra also, you can get here. I'm just using this one in my graphics now. This is not visible now. I think I have network issue. Just wait a minute. Right, you can get here. Okay, Asoka Chakra. Just put one second. See, this one is not looking good now. Not looking good. So you can see here Asoka Chakra is only one. I'm just going on all, but it's not looking good. So, and you also not giving the option to change the color. Okay, so I'm just going on my pro account. I'm just taking this one, and I will show you how you can get this pro element in your free version. Okay, in our next class. So don't worry, I'm just putting here. You see there now, you also getting, if you will put any premium account, premium element on your pro version, you will get this type of logo, right? Remove the watermark. Okay, I'm just showing for you, that's why I'm using this one, right?
हाँ जी सर, दोबारा बताओ, ये रिमूव वाटरमार्क क्या शो करता है हमें?
It means they are showing it, this is for the premium one. ये आपका प्रीमियम
ये
वन
तो
के लिए है
मेरे
आपको।
सभी में दिखा रहा है सर, मैं जो भी
नो
इसमें
नो
से
नो,
कोई ले रही हूँ ना,
जस्ट
तो ये सब में
अगर
दिखा रहा है
आपको भी
रिमूव
चूज करो
वाटरमार्क।
ना, उससे पहले क्या करो, यहाँ पर एक फिल्टर लगा लो, राइट? यहाँ से फिल्टर लगा लो और क्लिक ऑन द फ्री वर्जन। ओके, just click
कहाँ
on the
पे
free
चेंज
version.
करना पड़ेगा सर?
Otherwise na, you just see on, if you will scroll your mouse na, just see here showing the free, here showing free. So use only where showing the free one. Okay, otherwise don't use that one. That one is for only paid one.
ओके।
Right, here is something going. I will change the color, and if I want to put this one a big one, so this one is some small, so I can, what I can do here, something I will come and just I'm crossing this one. I'm just searching for the line. Okay, so I will make a there stick. Okay, I just take a line. Okay, I just take a line. You can see the line have many options. You can choose the line color. Right, I'm choosing the line color is green. And one more benefit is the in the Canva is I like most, that one is, if you use any photo, if you use any photo na, in the photo, how many color are using there na, if any जितना भी कलर यहाँ पे यूज किया हुआ, राइट, जितना भी कलर यूज किया हुआ, every color is showing you here, right? See, in this gate, India gate na, there are 1 3 4 4 5 colors using here. They will catch color for you. It's help you to make a unique graphics. Okay,
सर इसमें तो बड़े लिमिटेड कलर्स हैं, तो अगर आप वो कैसे बताया था आपने और कलर्स ऐड करने हो तो?
सॉरी,
इसमें लिमिटेड कलर्स दिखा रहे हैं हमारे पास ना, बहुत कम कलर हैं, जैसे ब्लू पिंक अच्छे वाले नहीं है, जैसे आप यूज कर रहे हैं ना बहुत सुंदर कलर्स हैं।
ओके वेट वेट, मैं बताता हूँ आपको। Just see, I use this stick like a line. I will use like a black uh, stick. So I will just make a 90 degree. Okay, now it's perfect for 90 degree. I'm just scroll down and I'm just right. I just drag and drop here. So it will make perfect, right? It's good. It's looking good now. Plug is over, and I will make this one is some far. So it will showing more good, right? Something like this. And this one is see, this is your tax. And if you click on the tax na, you see here lots of things. You can increase and decrease the size of your tax. आप यहाँ से फॉन्ट का साइज और जो भी साइज है आपका टेक्स्ट का उसको बढ़ा सकते हो, घटा सकते हो, ठीक है। यू कैन चेंज कलर फ्रॉम हियर. If I want to choose the green color, I will choose the green color. Okay. If I will choose the some yellows, I will choose yellow. Red. If I will choose red, okay. You can change the color from here. This font is not allowed bold, so it will not give you the bold. If it not allow the italic, here is not option, and here is a option for you can like where you want to your text in center, left, right, you can do from here. Okay. If you want to make a list like a point wise, so you can do here. And here is one more main option I will want to show you. If you want to know space between the this letter, so just increase this one. You can see there is a space between the two letter. Okay. If you want to make a line between the line, like if I will go down now, I just like write here something. I will show you something now. Just going here. Okay, lots of difference, lots of gap. Okay, if I want to decrease though, just go and decrease. Okay, you will decrease now. If I want to make a more difference between the two lines, so you can do here like this one. It will make you difference, make a difference between the two lines. Okay, here also you can see. I will make a less thick, less spacing. You can do anything here. I'm just going here and just putting 0, and I will also put here 0. Okay, just come and cut this one also. I will cut this one. So I will put this one is in the center. Okay. So effect, I think someone asked to me asked me how I can make an effect on the element, right? Just come on the effect anywhere. If you want to make here effect, just come here, see the animation. Okay, click on animation. Which type you animation you want to give, right? Just click, just put your mouse on this. They are showing also the animation here. See, this one is like this one, your animation, like this animation, like this animation. So you can choose any animation. Okay, this one is pro version, pro one. So don't take pro one. Okay, page animation, like a page, right? Page every block is like showing like this one. See, this is full page animation you are seeing here. Full page animation. I'm just coming here and I will fit this one. Then you can see the easily everything. See, it's looking good now. It's looking good. If you want to put the every element has a specific an animation, so you just click on the element and click on the photo where you want to put your animation. Just come here. If I want to put in the text now, just come on the effect and just choose your effect here. Okay. Sorry, effect like a shadow. If you want to put the shadow, you can choose the shadow here. Like you can see the, I will choose the black one, so you can see the background. Okay. Effect one. Okay, effect you can choose from here. I just going in the none, and you want animation is in this word, so I will just going and see the, this one is your animation. This type of animation you will get. Right. So this one is your basic design. You can create this one. Yeah, see, I think I will give you only 15 minutes for this because I also explained you. That's why I will have much time to create this one. But you can create any design within a 10 or 15 minutes more. The if you are a beginner, I will say beginner. And here is
हाँ
one design I will not show you. That means here you can see the flag, right? Small flag. That will make you more creative. I just come here and come on element, just take a line. Okay, here this one is going good now. I'll just come in here and just putting this one. Okay, here, right? You can see now here everyone na is looking not in center. Just drag every element. Okay, just take every element and put in the center like this. So it will be more. Yes, it will be more creative.
सर,
But
ये आपने
still,
जो
small.
शेप्स ली थी सर्कल की या फिर रेक्टेंगल की, ये कहाँ से ऑप्शन आएगी?
Here just come on element. आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है इधर लेफ्ट साइड में
यहाँ तो
एलिमेंट
दिख रहा है
ऑप्शन.
पर मेरे लैपटॉप पे नहीं दिख रहा मुझे.
ओके
कहाँ होगी ये ऑप्शन?
सी द इफ यू आर ऑन द एडिटिंग पेज ना, अगर आप इस पेज पे हो
हाँ जी सर,
यहाँ पर साइड देखो तो एलिमेंट का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है आपको, एलिमेंट का ऑप्शन.
दिख रहा है सर.
हाँ, तो आप यहाँ से सर्च मार सकते हो. मानो आपको कुछ लाइन चाहिए ना, तो आपको लाइन लिख के सर्च मार सकते हो. अदरवाइज आप डाउन करोगे ना तो देखो यहाँ पे लाइन शेप दिख रहा है. ठीक है, अब इसके ऊपर आपको ये दिख रहा होगा शायद
हाँ जी
लाइन
सर.
शेप, राइट. जस्ट क्लिक
ठीक
ऑन
है.
द दिख गया. अब देखो यहाँ पे एक चीज और मैं बताना चाहता हूँ आपको ना, अगर आप यहाँ पे सी ऑल पे क्लिक करोगे ना, सी ऑल पे, तो देयर आर एवरी यू कैन गेट शेप एंड एवरी which one have free.
वो
Okay,
यूज.
free you can use from here. Okay, element is I think every element is free one. Here is nothing you should have to pay. Okay, you haven't pay
ओके.
here
हाँ
anything.
ठीक है
राइट.
सर,
सो
दिख गया.
देखो
हाँ
यहाँ
जी.
पे सभी एलिमेंट जो है फ्री है. ठीक है, सभी एलिमेंट फ्री है. यू कैन यूज एवरी एलिमेंट.
ओके.
So I'm just taking a light line, and you see now this one is crossing the Ashok Chakra. So I'm just click on the Ashok Chakra, and I just saying bring on, right, front bring as all is going back down. Okay, so I'm just clicking here. Just wait, it's not in center, so I will making in center. Just I will making group this one. Flag is in group, so I will make here this one. Taj Mahal I will make from here, so it will make more. So it's looking good now. Right. How you can create this type of flag? You see now this type of flag how you can create. Just take a element from here, rectangle size. Otherwise you can write a flag, but you will not get anything more. I think so.
ओके.
Here now, just if you come on the graphics now, so you will get something. If you want to click now, see you can't change the color of these flags. Okay, if they have option, they will show you their color, but here no option, so you can't change this color. Okay, so I will check the another one also, I think, but in free version is not anything is here. So you can create your own flag. See, just come on the element, click on element, just cutting this one, and just come here. I will choose this one. Okay, rectangle shape. I will choose this one. Just make a small, decrease the size. Okay, just rotate it.
ओके.
Make a 180, 90, right? Perfect. So it will be looking good. So I will just I'm just putting small one. Okay, I just copy, and I'm just putting here. Now you can make a copy. Control C, Control V. You should have to do only Control C and Control V. Just put here. Control C, Control V. Just take here. Okay. Control C, Control V. Just put here. And now you have to change the color now. Just click on first one. Make this one is Kesari. I'm using Kesari. I think yeah, this one is Kesari, right? Next second one is white. And next third one is green. Okay, you can do like this one. If you don't want to do more now, just take a 3-1 and make a group. Make a group. I will teach you now how you can make group. Just choose 3. Okay, 3 element. Make a group, and now it's a group now. Okay, just control C, control V. Copy. Now it will be here. Now visible, right? You can see control C, control V group, and you will then put here. It is good now.
Really great.
इजी है ना आप लोगों के लिए? देखो यहाँ पे ना ये बन चुका मेरा
Can you give any assignment work or
assignment. Yeah, you can
Yes,
design your like a 15 August is here, so you can design for today. You can design your own design. See,
नहीं
here is my design,
बनाने के बाद
and I
सर इसको
will.
डाउनलोड कैसे करेंगे?
I will
अगर
show
ये
you also design.
हाँ
Okay. See, this is I will put animation here for the someone saying na you put the animation. So just putting animation here, and I will take this one animation also, like this one. Okay. So something like this animation you can put any animation. Just come and choose animation, like this one. Okay, this one is here. Now you can I will show you. You can see the your real. You can create see this type of your animation is look like. Sorry, this type of your poster look like. Okay, just click on play. See, something is happen here and something is happen here, right? Now it's your full design, and here you can see on the top side your provision showing share. If you want to share with someone, right? If I want to share with someone, so I just click on their name or just clicking their mail IDs. Okay, if I want to click my mail ID here, I have my one of mail ID. See, here is showing something. You can share with me, right? You can see also what you want to give the permission. They can only view or they can edit also. If you want to give the edit option, they can. If they change anything, it will change also in this one. If I will share with someone, if they will delete this one, so it will delete on my original copy also. Okay, so you can give the any option if you want. Okay, just click on send. It will be sent it to him. He will accept, and he will edit this photo. Okay, here you can see the download button. Click on download. You can see the lots of your things here. Just the file type. Okay, which type of you want to file? If you want to mp4 like a video. If you don't want mp4, if you want to mp4 also, if you want to also png, just click on png. Okay, high quality image, and this one is size like a pixels of type. Okay, don't you will get in the premium account. Okay, transparent background you will get in that premium account. Okay, just leave this one. Okay,
सर ये ऑप्शन आ नहीं रही डाउनलोड करने पे.
I will show you here. Just click on the download button.
Okay.
Click on download button and see here mp4 and png pdf, which type you want to delete. Okay, just choose the type and just click on download. Okay, if you want to click the download, it will be download now. Okay,
ये तो डाउनलोड विद कैनवा प्रो लिखा आ रहा था.
actually yeah, I use here ना pro one. Okay, pro item, that's why it's showing you should have to use the pro one. Okay,
नहीं अगर हम कोई भी सिंबल प्रो वाला ले लेते हैं तो ये डाउनलोड नहीं करेगा मतलब.
they will give the option, but yeah, they will give you no.
हाँ सर बिना प्रो वाला बताएं हमें. और ये सर मुझे बताइए सारा काम हमें ऑनलाइन ही होना पड़ेगा ना, मतलब नेट के थ्रू, यानी बिना नेट के तो नहीं हो सकता ये डिजाइन.
कैनवा का एग्जिस्ट जो बेस्ट होता है वो आपका ना ऑटोमेटिक से होता है. अगर लाइक आई विल चेंज दिस वन ना, आई विल सी दिस वन इज ऑल द सेव चेंजेस हियर. It will change automatically. It will save automatically. Okay, you haven't need anything, right?
ऑटोमेटिकली सेव हो रहा है. ठीक है. हाँ
automatically सेव हो रहा है. I will show you how you can this premium account, premium themes, premium element you can use in free one. Okay, You have to use the third party app, third party tools. Okay, I will show you in the tomorrow class. And if you have if anyone have doubts, they can ask me.
पर डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा, मुझे लग रहा है मैंने भी शायद कोई प्रो वाला यूज किया है, तो इन दैट केस मतलब कि हमें
just
प्रो
rotate
वाली
your mouse.
फिंगर नहीं लेनी।
Just rotate your mouse. You can see the which one is your pro element. You see, na? This one is free. This one is free. This one is free. If I will delete this one, na? If I will delete this one, you can see I can easily download this one. I will just clicking on PNG. I can download this here. Right? See, this one is going downloading system. Right? Here I can download it. They are showing pop-up because they have to. This is one is adding, so that's why it is called pop-up. And this design is downloaded and it will be open now. This is your design, okay? Any have
डाउनलोड होकर कहाँ जाएगा?
डाउनलोड होके तो आपके डाउनलोड फाइल में आप जहाँ सेटिंग की हो डाउनलोड
अच्छा,
जहाँ पे आप
लैपटॉप
सेटिंग
में।
की हो आप चल जाएगा।
ओके, ठीक है सर, आप कोशिश यही करो कि बिना प्रो वाला आप हमें बताएं, क्योंकि ये मेरे से भी डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा, और मैंने एक्चुअली एक बार ट्राई किया था तो इसलिए मुझे अच्छा नहीं समझ नहीं आया कि कैसे इसे डाउनलोड करना है, इसलिए छोड़ दिया मैंने।
Okay, because you are in the first one, I think you are trying the first time, and that's why you are not understood. I will help you. Okay, don't worry. If anyone will get any problem, you can text me easily. I think I will every night I will sleeping after 2 o'clock. You can till 2 o'clock you can message me. I will reply you shortly. Okay.
थैंक यू सर।
In the
Sir,
morning you can message me after 10 o'clock.
sir, only one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible to include a small video in this poster, sir? Because if you take any college now, we used to
Here.
create a poster
Yeah.
and also include some video, sir, so that we can put it in the form of status. Because in the status, if I posted that video now, that time split is there. I can't set that full video in my status. So suppose if that video is included in that poster, Abdina, that duration, that I can perform like that. Is it possible to include such a kind of video in that poster, sir?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. You can do. I will also show you.
Yes, sir.
I think
Yes, sir.
you can see the here. I have mentioned everything. Day what I will teach you in daily basis. Canva. Just go on my website. Okay. I have the schedule. I will here scheduling here. Okay, I in this one I will show you video like here video. I will teach you on second day how you can use videos also. Here is video. I will teach you in this one, okay? How you can make videos.
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anyone have any other problem? आप लोगों में किसी को दिक्कत है आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हो. I am on live. I think lots of members not here. Only some.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Nice intro.
Okay.
We'll see you in
Ma'am,
tomorrow.
Ma'am, call me
great
please.
session,
Please
great
call me
session.
please. Don't call me sir. I don't lie. I really say.
Thank you, Prince.
Aji.
Hmm.
Okay, then see you tomorrow in same time.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
सर जिसको इंग्लिश आती
Nice.
है
Nice, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
सर कुछ
Nice.
होमवर्क देना भी जरूरी है, मतलब हम एक ट्राई करके अपने जो ग्रुप बनाया उस पे हम सेंड कर सकते हैं.
Okay, then you can create your
हाँ,
today's event ना 15
नहीं,
August
इफ यू गिव एनी असाइनमेंट देन इजी, है ना? We
You
can
can
do
create,
a,
ma'am. 15 August is here today. You can create a banner for the
हाँ
15 August.
15 अगस्त देयर चलो ओके ट्राई माय बेस्ट
Okay,
ठीक
ma'am.
है
Okay, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Good night.
बाय गुड नाइट